welcome back to another video of PC fishing. And yes, it's pouring, and we are here at a public pond, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy. There it is. Not a bad little fish. Got him on that jig, paired up with a Kraken crawl. Hooked him good. There we go. Got him right there on that jig with that Kraken crawl. Took the pincher off. Let's get all this tall grass right here. I'm just gonna have to chunk him back. There he goes. Okay. I'm gonna have to get a new crawl. Tore that pincher off. I was just swimming it. It's a football jig that you're supposed to bounce on the bottom, but there's so much grass. It's like a grass flat, this whole pond is. And so, kind of just got to swim it over the top of the grass. So that's how we got it. Tucker, you ready to go again? I'm going to make a switch and put this jig away because I see the grass and it's literally like so high. It's right below the surface of the water. So much it's grown. So I'm gonna make a switch to a weightless Senko. And I'm gonna throw that a little bit. It can kind of just drift. It's windy out here, and the wind can drift it over the top of the grass in the water, so should be easier. No! Shoot! Oh my gosh, dude. I had him. There's so much wind though. You tore it up. That's your new one. It's starting to rain pretty hard. There's one. I got that one. No, he spit my Senko. There we go. Nice fish. Not bad. About a pound. go. Ooh, there's a little jump. Okay. Well, I think that was literally the last Senko that I have, except for the one that I've already used. That's really tore up in this bag. Let me check and see if there's another one. Yeah, that's the last one. But there are lizards. Let's try a lizard weightless. See if that'll work. It's lighter than a Senko, but it might work. Okay, that's our rig. I know I'm gonna be able to cast it a good little ways. Not a good little ways, but out there enough. But sinking ability, I don't know. Oh, I know what I need to do with this. I need to reel this thing. I need to reel this like right under the top of the water. Yeah. Got him. On the lizard. There we go. Barely got him in. He is barely hooked. Look at that. Right in the snout. Caught him on the lizard. Man, starting to turn on. Sun's kind of peeking, just barely. Not really. There we go. Got another one. Toss him back out there. You gotta toss him out there because all this tall grass. There's one part where you can kind of let him go right there at your feet at the water, but it's still got a little grass around it and stuff, so let's rig this thing back up. They're liking the natural color, like the watermelon red and chartreuse pumpkin, stuff like that. Watermelon seed, all that stuff. Throw that thing back out there. Okay guys, well, we are done walking back to the truck because it is raining even more. Yeah, I can't even record, but hope y'all enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more videos, but yeah.